Alright, here we go, more practice. Adjusted my tweezers a little more, put a double stage bend on them, just to give that tip a little bit more kick in at the end. And I'm going to actually see if grabbing here is better, so I can actually lift the board and it's a little more balanced. We're going back in at 370. The other thing is it keeps the heat blowing away from maybe the critical areas. I think I yanked off a dozen pads then. Felt like it. Yeah, I like that pull better. So I got some issues up here. I think some of that's just simply because of the amount of work I've been doing. I sure hope my wick turns up tomorrow, because I'm right on the very last little bits of the chem wick, chem tools, whatever, tech spray, that's it, tech spray. Putting down my tiny little bits of solder on those pads in preparation for me to put the wire down. So we'll do our D pad first. It's going to get a better blade. This one is not the best. It's a much nicer blade. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was slick. And we prep our C1 wire. Maybe a fractionally longer. It's good. That's not where I wanted it. It just happened to land there by accident. Good. Oh, it's beautiful having that sharp blade. Alright, so they're set up. Now we're going to go do the reball. We've got our treasured U3500 stencil that saved us from madness. Yes, I deliberately put the flux over there. The reason being is the flux will then flow under the chip and give me a little bit of a foothold. For the tiny whoa, that's not a tiny smidge, that's a huge... Well, we're gonna have to take it all. Okay, again, this will be 370 at 60 on the quick. Very nice. It's ready to use. Hopefully without dramas. Let's put a little bit of flux down. Keeps jumping up whenever I let go because of the flux grabbing the side. Yeah, I think we have to work with that. That part there has been a nuisance. Let's see if we can't get it to just move a wee squiz. There we go. It's better. And we're done. There's probably some concerns about the proximity between here and the wire. So we'll have a look down there. But given that this isn't going to move around, I don't think it's going to be so much of a problem. I could put a little drop of UV cure down there just to be sure. I probably should have pulled it in a bit tighter, but I think we'll be okay. Overall, looking good.